Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can add custom domain to Netlify. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your Netlify account. And I also logged into my domain provider right here. Okay, so after that, once you are here, you just have to select the project. Okay, and then once you're here on your project overview, you just have to tap on the domain management. Okay, and you'd be able to see this add a domain option. So just simply tap on this one, and then you can either buy a new domain or add a domain you already own. So for example, we are going to use an existing domain. Okay, so I'm just going to use this domain. That's right, and I'm just going to copy the name of this domain. Okay, and then open your Netlify account and then paste it right here, and then tap on verify. So after that, you just have to tap on the add domain option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, as you can see, we have pending DNS verification. So for this one, we're just going to follow the steps that we have here. Okay, so it will depends of what kind of domain provider do you have. So after that, you'd be able to successfully connected your custom domain to your Netlify account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.